What is extended reality technology? Extended reality technology is an umbrella term that includes all forms of virtual reality or VR, augmented reality or AR, and mixed reality or MR technology. This technology creates immersive, interactive, and realistic experiences for users. Extended reality technology is still in its early stages of development, but it has already shown great potential for a wide range of applications. For example, extended reality technology can be used for training and simulation, education, and entertainment, and even for therapeutic purposes. One of the most exciting aspects of extended reality technology is its potential to change the way we interact with the world around us. With extended reality technology, we can create digital versions of real-world objects and environments and interact with them in ways that are not possible in the physical world. For example, we can explore virtual worlds, interact with digital characters, and even create our own experiences. So stay tuned with MetaGen till the end of the video to explore all about extended reality technology. Here we begin. What are the benefits of extended reality technology? Extended reality technology is a new and upcoming technology that has many benefits. One benefit is that it can help people with disabilities. For example, people who are blind can use extended reality technology to see. Another benefit is that it can help people with learning disabilities. For example, people with dyslexia can use extended reality technology to read. Additionally, extended reality technology can help people who are deaf or hard of hearing. For example, they can use extended reality technology to see sign language. Extended reality technology can also help people who are not disabled. For example, it can help people who are trying to learn a new language. Also, extended reality technology can help people who want to learn more about a certain subject. For example, someone interested in history can use extended reality technology to visit historical sites. Overall, it has many benefits. For example, it can help people with disabilities, people who are trying to learn a new language, and people who want to learn more about a certain subject. What are the applications of extended reality technology? Extended reality technology is still in its early stages, but there are already several potential applications for it. One obvious application is entertainment, where extended reality can create immersive, interactive experiences. For example, extended reality could create virtual reality theme parks or interactive games that allow players to explore virtual worlds. Another potential application for extended reality is in education. For example, extended reality could be used to create virtual simulations of historical events or scientific phenomena. This would allow students to experience these events or phenomena in a safe and controlled environment and could help them understand them better. There are also several potential applications for extended reality in the business world. For example, the extended reality could be used to train employees in new environments or carry out virtual meetings. Additionally, the extended reality could be used to create marketing experiences that allow potential customers to interact with products realistically. Overall, extended reality technology has a lot of potential applications. As the technology develops, even more applications will likely be found. What are the disadvantages of extended reality technology? Extended reality technology, also known as XR technology, is a catch-all term used to describe various immersive technologies, including virtual reality or VR, augmented reality or AR, and mixed reality or MR. While XR technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world, some potential disadvantages could be considered. One of the disadvantages of XR technology is that it could lead to further disconnection from the physical world. As we become more immersed in virtual or augmented reality, we may lose touch with what is happening in the real world around us. This could harm our social interactions and our ability to relate to others. Another disadvantage of XR technology is that it could be used to create false or misleading information. For example, a malicious actor could create a fake AR environment that appears to be real but is designed to trick people into doing something they wouldn't normally do. Again, this could have serious implications for our safety and security. Finally, XR technology could harm our mental health. If we spend too much time in virtual or augmented reality, we may start to experience symptoms of anxiety or depression. But again, this is because we would live in a world that is not real, which could harm our mental state. Overall, XR technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world. However, some potential disadvantages should be considered before fully embracing this technology. Use cases of extended reality technology. Organizations have begun to know how to use the virtual era to create or make bigger precious stories. Current use instances have begun highlighting the capability of XR throughout numerous industries and spheres. Entertainment. The immersive stories enabled with the aid of using XR open the possibility for music, sports activities, and different enjoyment activities to come to be even greater attractive and compelling. At the same time, as fanatics will have to get the right entry to an infinite catalog of activities from the constellation in their home with a VR headset. Marketing. Virtual worlds are a new frontier for advertising, wherein manufacturers can interact with new purchasers and provide novel approaches to providing and interacting with digital products. Real estate. Brokers and asset proprietors can optimize actual property offerings by letting capability customers and tenants excursion homes in a digital format. By the identical token, indoor designers and designers can leverage XR for layouts, designs, and production plans. Healthcare. XR era can provide higher evaluation for specialists of the scientific industry, providing education opportunities for surgeries, prognosis, and treatments. Industry manufacturing. In this sector, prolonged truth can assist groups in enhancing protection measures, expanding powerful education, and diagnosing actual time issues. Remote work. By the usage of prolonged truth tech, groups can permit their employees to paint virtually, attend meetings, collaborate, and get the right of information entry, irrespective of their bodily location. Tourism. Potential vacationers will have a sneak top at places and infrastructures like landmarks and accommodations earlier than committing to shopping for tickets to their favorite destination. What are the challenges of extended reality technology? Extended reality technology is still in its early stages, which means many challenges need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is creating realistic and believable virtual environments. This is difficult because it requires a lot of computing power and sophisticated algorithms. Another challenge is making sure that the virtual environment interacts seamlessly with the real world. This can be tricky because of the different ways people perceive the world. Additionally, extended reality technology must handle large amounts of data to create realistic environments. Again, this is a challenge because it requires a lot of storage and processing power. Finally, extended reality technology needs to be affordable and accessible to a wide range of people. Unfortunately, this is difficult to do because the technology is still very new and expensive. The future of XR. As the XR generation advances, any other generation propels customers into a new era. Synthetic intelligence. AI will play a chief function within the XR space, from digital assistants supporting designers in VR to shrewd AR overlays that may stroll people via do-it-yourself tasks. For example, believing in sporting a headset and telling the content material what to do via verbal speech and gestures. With hands loose and speech-pushed digital dealers on the ready, even non-professionals can create brilliant designs, complete quite complicated tasks, and harness the skills of effective applications. Platforms like NVIDIA Omniverse have already modified how customers create 3D simulations in digital worlds. Omniverse lets in customers from throughout the globe to increase and function of virtual dual simulations. The platform gives customers the power to turn the portal into the bodily accurate, absolutely ray-traced digital global via 2D monitors or their favorite XR to enjoy sizable digital worlds immersively. While XR is but to be a fact that may be completely found in our ordinary lives, it's miles already placing the destiny evolution of the arena meditated in improvements, just like the Metaverse. XR poses a precious possibility for segments like entertainment, marketing, sports, tourism, education, and plenty more. As the era keeps evolving, we can see prolonged facts turning vital to us all. So that's it for today's video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching!